Hey everyone, this is Steven with Digital Marketing in a Flash, coming to you with yet another video. Today I want to discuss a Chrome extension that I use to basically get a full page screen capture. Sometimes when you're working, you're having to scroll through multiple pages to get information, and it does take time and it is cumbersome to do that. So there's a Chrome extension that really helps out in this process. So once again, we're going to go to the Chrome store. We're going to type in Go Full Page. Once it is downloaded, we're going to go to a website like Yahoo. We're going to click on our Chrome extensions. We're going to go to Full Page. And what this does is it actually captures whatever you're looking at, whether it's Yahoo, Facebook, Google, and it gives a one-page snapshot that you're able to look at everything in a single page view. This makes it extremely helpful if you're working on multiple websites or you're looking at multiple pieces of information and you want to be able to capture it all on one screen. This tool really makes this process very easy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.